Hey, good day friends, and welcome to Apply Network. If you are new to this channel, hit that red subscribe button and hit the bell icon. And if you are just coming to this channel for the first time, and if you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate you for coming back. So in this video, I will be showing you how you can use Canva to make your graphic design. You know, learning graphic design is very, like when you start to learn from the beginning, like you start using CorelDRAW, Adobe and other graphic designing softwares or app. But for this video, I'll be showing you the one of the most easiest way I do design my graphics and flyers and all that. So the first thing you do is go to your Google, and if you are using your smartphone, go to your Play Store and search for Canva. It has app. So you search for Canva. If you are using your Android, you download the app to your Android, and if you are using your laptop, you can just go to their website. So when you search for Canva on Google, you see this first one, that's canva.com. You click on it. So if you are new to Canva, you have to create an account with your Google account. But for me, I've used my Google account with Canva before, so that's why I just have to click on it. So as you can see, canva.com, this is the URL there. So if you are using the app, you can just download the app. I already have the account, so it has different already made design templates. So you just click on the template you want to edit and you edit it. So you click on start designing. So if you are using the same, if you are using the app too, it's basically the same thing. So you select whatever you want to design. It has different templates. It has YouTube cover photo, your Facebook cover photo, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube banner. Just mention any. So it has different things you can make. You can make your banner, your poster, resume, invitation maker, business card maker, logo maker. You can use it to make your logo, collage, presentation, PDF editors, letterheads, and many others. As you can see, there are very much. So that's it. So when you are using your app, just open up the app. Then you create an account. You sign in with your Google account. So for me, I do use the free, but if you need most of the template that look more beautiful and outstanding, you can just pay for the premium on the app. So these are some of the design I've done with it. So for this video, let me use this. So that's an already designed template. So you can just come here, search your content. I'll be searching for YouTube. Let me see how to make my YouTube thumbnail for my videos, or the YouTube thumbnail. You can just search for anything, maybe flyer. Let me want to make a flyer or poster card. Let me make a flyer. You can just search for flyer, business flyer, school flyer, event flyer. So let me just go for business flyer. So you click on business flyer. It brings different already designed templates. Right? You just have to redesign it. So you can change the image. So many of it. Some are free. You can see this one is paid. As you can see, it's paid. But the one with free, something like this, all these are free. So I'm using the first one. It has so many, 11,509 templates for just business flyer. So I've clicked on this one. I'll go to the tab and you can start to edit it. So edit it. So you can type any text you want. Click on edit. You can edit anything. You can even change the picture, the background, and all of that. So Canva is very good software that you can use for your graphic design. For those of you that don't really have time to learn graphics from scratch, you can just use Canva to make outstanding designs. You can also search for let me see, YouTube banner for your YouTube channel or whatever, or or
Facebook,
It has so many, just so many. You cannot set for anything that you want to use it for. Facebook covers photo, cover photos. So you cannot search for it. Bring different one that you can re-edit and make. Or if you are the type that maybe you are into tech or food, you can just search for food flyers. Instead of to just start adding your food, you can just search for food flyers. You bring different flyers with food. That you can just different templates with food that you can just click on edit. Click on it to edit it. If you are the tech guy like I am, sounds weird, but I'm a tech guy. I love tech a lot. So if you are the tech guy, you can just search for technology, and bring different like and design. So much. So in the next video or any other video, I'll be making a full and a better explanation. I'll click on the template and I'll edit it. But for this video, I'm just going to show you this. And when you're using the app, it has paid. I said it already. It has paid and free. So if you want to enjoy it, you pay for it. And like this one I click now is paid. I clicked on this one. It's paid. So this one is for like presentation. You can use it to present 1/28. That's 1/28 pages. That's so many. Just so many. But yeah, when you have used Canva for a long time, they start to give you some premium features like this now. Like I need this one. So that's one of them. And when you are through with it, let me just make a YouTube cover, a YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. So you can just, if you are a gaming channel or whatever, you can just click on, you can just search for YouTube gaming channel or whatever, you click on it. So you edit it, and you can also make your blank designs. YouTube. I saw one I wanted to use before. Tech YouTube. I love this. So you can just click on it. You may see this thumbnail on my next video or my banner. So I might change it. I just search video. I can just add your text. So add the next one. Mine is not a gaming channel. So subscribe and whatever. You can also change this image. So you right click, or let us say search for image. So you click on the image and you see up here edit image. So you can just click on edit image. So you bring different that you can use. So you can add your picture here. So, and when you are through with it, you can just click on share to download it. Share, and you scroll down. The same thing. All what I'm doing here is same and applicable to your to the app. Even when you're using the app, so you click on download to download the picture. Yeah, true. And I always suggest to download the PNG because PNG is very much clear and better than JPG. So that's the file extension. So you just click on download to download it. And that's all. So you love this video and you want more of it, follow this and subscribe to this channel. And if you are not getting anything I said, or maybe you are making some errors or mistake in this video, drop your comment. I'll reply to you. So if the image is downloaded already, you go to the download folder, and here it is. It looks awesome. Yeah, it looks awesome. Like, comment and share for more amazing videos.